Hello to the EV community out there. So I bought my Nissan Leaf earlier this month, and a friend suggested that I should have it to charge to 80% rather than 100%, so I can have the battery life to stay longer. So I searched and couldn't find anything on YouTube. I tried the manufacturer manual, but there was nothing that told me how to set it up. So, and because my car is coming from Japan, there was no way I can understand Japanese. So I kept searching until I figured out the way to do it. So I'm going to show it to you right now. So when you look at your dashboard, you will see that it is set up to 100%, and how to get to this point I'll show you in a second. So when you come here, there'll be like 4 buttons here you can see. So the first button here on the top left, when you click on it and you go here, it will keep like switching between different views. So you should keep like pushing this button until you reach to this menu. So when you reach to this menu, okay, I'll come back here now. So then you have this like dot button. So when you click on it, when I click on it, I will start to go down with the cursor. And then in order to confirm that this is the menu that you want to see, you just press this button now here, and then it will show you 180%. So again, you want to use the option button, which is this one. So I'll show you now. I like this, and then like that, and then you go back to this square button and press it, and now it's set up to 80%. So when you go with the menu again, now as you can see, it is 80%. And you can do the same by going back to this button and then going to the menu, and again with this dot button, you'll go down, click here, and then go down, set it up to 100, and then you're good to go. Thanks, guys.